still down here working on the Twinkie. And James came down. Oh my God, he's a lifesaver. Look, we're not on the ground anymore. He is a lifesaver. So we put my jacks under there. There's one. And one on the other side. There we go. So now I'm so glad to be up off the ground. There is a little bit of damage underneath. See if I can get down on the ground and see. Of course, those are the old jack stands there, which really, I don't know, they're pretty rusted. So over here, that doesn't look bad. You know what? I can just do the camera underneath. Yeah, there's some nails coming out, probably because of it sitting unlevel. Over there. Let's take a look at the rest. This is the best way to look. Just take your camera and run it underneath. I can see some, oh, maybe those are the jacks. No, I don't know what that is over there. So yeah, that's a bad spot right there where those nails are hanging out. I don't know if I can find him. I need to come over further. Camera doesn't want to focus under there. I'm probably catching grass. But anyhow, maybe it'll show in the video. So somehow, I need a really skinny person to go down there and fix those. Oh, okay, and so let's go look at the other side. Look at that, the bumper's not on the ground anymore. I am so thrilled. Wow. That right there is an awning anchor, but the awning's long gone. Okay, and then on this side, okay, there's the other jack stand. Let's see. Yeah, the floor right here. Let me get underneath here. Oh. The floor needs to be, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's pulling apart. I thought it was. But now that he's got it jacked up, it looks better. Ew, I see daddy long legs. But I definitely need to get... How come I can't find him? There we go. Definitely need to get those two screws right there. All that fixed back up. All in all, you know, and the old jacks are rusted. The leaf springs are rusted. As leaf springs do. But, you know, unless I were planning on hauling this, I'd be worried about that, but I'm not hauling it. Oh yeah, I can see over here. right there. Don't know if it shows, but part of the aluminum has come off over here. Let me see. Let me find that sewer. There we go. So I don't know how it shows up on the camera, but part of that aluminum has come off. So that'll have to be fixed. At least it's off the ground. At least it's not absorbing anything now. So that part is good. Okay, I need to get back and finish cleaning the bedroom. Thank you so much, James. You're big, big help. I'm so glad to get this off the ground. And there's a cat going inside my RV. See if I can catch her. Kitty. Kitty, 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 where'd you go? I saw you come in here. Meow meow. Meow meow. Where'd you go? She came in here and she hid. Where are you, baby? Huh? Where'd you go? Oh, that's funny. Meow meow. Meow meow. Are you back here? No? Where'd she go? Well, she could have jumped out the window. Meow meow. Meow meow meow. I had a cat once that when he would get loose, it was my house cat. Oh, this fell down. And it was kind of funny because I'd have to go around the streets going, Mama yow, Mama yow. That's the only way I could get him to come back to me. So, yeah, I guess she went out a window. Nobody wants to come back here. Oh, there she is. Bye, baby. I can't believe she came back here. Ick. The nastiest room in the whole RV. And you have to come in it. Huh? Well? But she ran home. She lives right over there. One of those trailers. Okay, back to work. Fun time's over.